Alright guys, this is the last time I'm coming into this Fry's. Sad, but let's see what they got. Man, you know, every time I'm with you, they pull out something. Every time.
The big one.
Alright, it is the big one. Let's do it. You get one side, I get the other?
Alright, let's do it.
G Case, baby, right there in the front.
Ooh.
Okay, hold on. There's another one in the back.
Oh, is there? Oh, we'll take it.
Oh, there we go.
We'll fix everything for you, too. I wonder if it's the same, if it's a different one, because I think the other one...
You can tell.
You gonna take this one?
No, that's yours.
Ooh, look at that. You know, with how many times I was scoring supers in Arizona, I never thought that the Porsche 356 was going to be my last super for the next 3 years. South Dakota is dirty until now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great week. As you saw in that hunt, guys, we finally finished the nearly 3-year streak of not finding any supers in the wild. Of course, we have traded some. I have gotten some in RAOK packages from some really good friends, but it's not the same, and finding them out in the wild is just awesome. And the one that we found, guys, was the one that I thought was probably the coolest super of the year. Of course, you have some really good contenders, but man, that thing is awesome. So if this is the first time you stopping by, I definitely appreciate you clicking on this episode. We did score some new Mustangs for the collection, and if you're like me and you're a Mustang enthusiast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. Like I said, guys, we found some really good stuff, and we have it all sitting right here. And look at this. You see two beauties, so we're just going to jump right into this one. This is the 2024 Dark Horse out of the Pink Slip series from Jada. Look at that beautiful livery, man. That black and pink just looks wicked. You got the Pink Slips little badge right there behind the rear window. Really nice livery on this one. God, that thing is just so vibrant. So when it comes to the pink series, man, I think my favorite one so far is the GT500, and this one came in the color shift paint, which you can see right here. So you have a purple, and then it turns blue, and then in some light it is green. This thing is just gorgeous. Look at that color swing just from rotating around the room. So you can't see it right now, but there is a hint of green. That one, dude, that is probably the coolest GT500 I have in the collection. But now we can add the new 2024 Dark Horse in the 1/24 scale. This thing looks beautiful. Check that out. 25-year anniversary. And then to follow this one, we did score another GT500, same series, Pink Slip, and check out that color, guys. Baby blue with some pink pearl in it. You have the black top, pink stripes wrapping around. You do have almost close to the FR500s that Ruby has. They're a little bit more extreme on the spokes and a two-piece wheel setup. But there we go. Look at that. The only thing I don't like is the front end is completely solid. There's no grill. It is just a smooth surface. But the overall casting is wicked cool. Let's see if we can see some more colors as we go around the room. Look at that. Just a beauty. You guys let me know which one is your favorite between the GT500. Is it this pink slips or is it that one? Of course, these are the other ones. Those ones are just super cool as well, but got another one for the collection. And I gotta say, these are looking super clean. Now, out of the series, you do have both of those. And then you have the Lamborghini Aventador SV, which they did have. But of course, we are only trying to focus on the Mustangs. And then outside of the Jada, we did find some Dollar Tree exclusives. Now, this one's a Dollar General. This one I actually found, shockingly, at my Dollar General. But we got the black Koenigsegg Gamera. Check this out. This thing is beautiful. We do have one for the collection, so this is a second one. But we got this one as well as the new recolor of the 2015 F-Type Jaguar, which is the Project 7 in this beautiful pearlescent orange. You have the black lace wheels, staggered fitment, red wing, full details on the front. None on the rear, but man, this thing looks good. Looks really good. Followed up, we have the purple 87 Dodge D100. This thing is really cool looking. Now, when it comes to the purple metallic, I will say these look really good, especially with the pink beadlocks on there. I think it looks pretty sweet. So this is out of the Hot Wheels reverse rake. So it is squatting in the back versus the normal rake where you have the rear end jacked up a little bit and the front end kind of nose dips a little bit. This thing is pretty sweet. And then the last one is, of course, the Mazda RX-7 with the police livery in silver metallic. So these three right here, there are four, but these three are the new Dollar Tree exclusives. Super stoked to have caught those. And then when I went to Cars and Coffee, my buddy that sold me this Corvette brought me the other one. Because if you guys remember, the other one was actually shot with a BB gun. And the BB had actually penetrated the base. So he was like, here you go, man. Free of charge. No BB in this one. So we have another Corvette C7R for the collection. So the other one does have a huge hole in the base, which I was fine with. But since he hooked it up, we will definitely take it. And then from Sam's Club, another exclusive. This one is a 1/18 scale, but for 16 bucks or 17 bucks, however much they are, that is not bad for a 1/18 scale. Straight from Maysto, you have the 1970 Mach 1. And I want to say this is torch red. I don't know what the color codes were for the old 1970s. But it's either torch red or fire red, or maybe it's just red. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments. If not, I will have it up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, this Mach 1 in red, this is what I would love to get in real life. If I had the chance to get one, it would be in red. Of course, the Twister Special in orange is beautiful. We do have the blue one, which isn't exclusive to Sam's Club. As you can see right here, this one is an exclusive color style. But yeah, you got the grabber blue, and now we have the red one for the collection. So definitely go check out your Sam's Clubs. It is that time where they bring these out for the season. And then once they're gone, they don't come back until the holidays. And then it's probably just a refill of the exact same releases. So got that one. Then we also picked this up from our Dollar General. New for 2024, the Hot Wheels Motor Show. Check it out, guys. Beautiful lineup of cars. You have the white NSX with the gold J5s. You have the Corvette C8R in blue, which I think that looks super cool. I mean, that is just a beautiful color, man. And then you have the Aston Martin right here in yellow. Got the gray 10-spoke. And then you have the blacked out McLaren Senna. Check that out. That thing is wicked. You got the black PR5s with the yellow trim. Really pops on that one. And then, of course, finishing off with the Jaguar F-Type. Yeah, it's a 2020 F-Type in red. So definitely keep your eyes out for this one. A solid 5-pack right there for $24. And then of course the goods, guys. This, oh my gosh, I was so excited to get my hands on this Super. Look at how beautiful that is. Gosh, man, the Audi 90 Quattro, when I first made an episode featuring the Supers that were new for 2024, this one was high on my radar. Like, this was probably, in my opinion, the best Super of the year. I love the race livery. I love the color. You got the white aero discs. I mean, this thing is awesome. So, G Case Super out of the Hot Wheels turbo set, and finding it at the bottom or in the middle of that bin, I mean, this thing looks so good. So freaking good. So we did get this one as well as the main line. That way we can compare it for you guys. And straight off, you can identify it just right off the card art. You can see the aero disc with the yellow trim on there, and then you have the white versions, which are the plastic aero discs. So even the card art is a huge identifier. You have the TH on the door right behind the 24. But then looking at the cars, look at that. I mean, even the regular mainline is beautiful. The blue is very close to the Spectra Flame that comes with. And yeah, I think they just knocked it out of the park. But I am so excited that I have a case sitting right here so we can put this bad boy in there. So let's go ahead and drop it in there so we can make sure that this thing stays cherry. So there we go, guys. Finally, after 3 years, scored a Super in the wild. 2024's Audi 90 Quattro for G Case. So excited. And you guys know I don't hunt for Supers, but man, when you find them, it is just rewarding. I mean, you get very discouraged when you're there and then a few minutes later someone scores one, or you missed it by a few minutes. I mean, it really does get you in the gut, but at the same time, guys, don't focus too hard. But man, it finally paid off. All right, and then the next two, I just got some extras. We got the white Honda Civic Si, which I had mentioned before that this was my favorite release. I love the white with the red interior. So yeah, second one for that. And then finishing up, we found another Treasure Hunt Mach-E for the collection. Look at that. Man. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these in person, but I mean, the Mach-E 1400 is definitely no joke. And I am a fan of this treasure hunt. We do have a couple. We also have our loose versions right here, which are the main lines. Then we got some Matchbox. But the Mach-E's are growing in the collection. But when it comes to the treasure hunts, definitely going to bring them home. So there we go, guys. Awesome haul. I mean, the Super, I mean, that was just like the cherry on top. I mean, I was excited. So I don't get as excited as some people. Some people start shaking and getting all crazy and whatnot, but it just really did feel good to catch one in the wild. The 2024 and 2020 Mustang, I mean, the Dark Horse and the GT500, iconic cars. I'm glad to add these to the collection. They look beautiful. I'm definitely digging that Dark Horse, man. I love the stance of that one. But then we got to the Dollar Tree and Dollar General exclusive, along with an old C7R. And then we got the Sam's Club color exclusive of the 1970 Mach 1, the new 2024 5-pack of the Motor Show. You guys let me know which one is your favorite out of these. My favorite one's the Corvette, followed by the McLaren Senna. And then it's going to go Aston Martin, NSX, and then the Jaguar. So you guys let me know how you rank those in that 5-pack. But other than that, guys, this is what we got. I am absolutely stoked to add these to the collection. And yeah, that is all we have for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, as always, comment down below your favorite out of this whole haul right here. And as I always say before we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the MHD family. It is free. All you gotta do is give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, and you will never miss out on content. So that is all we have for today, guys. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.